Madam Uzaina. My name is Glory and today I will present about my speech. My speech is about history of agriculture. Introduction. Do you know the importance of the agriculture sector to the country? Agriculture as environmental ecology, economic sector, and supply of raw materials in food processing. What I really want to share is about those using during agriculture, animals using for agriculture in addition to equipment, and agriculture difference then and now. Tool using for agriculture is hoe. Hoe or digger is a traditional tool using for agriculture. Although now there are various types of modern plow machinery, but the use of hoe is still needed for some work in the garden or in the field. The hoe is usually used to flatten, loosen, and break the soil. Another tool using for agriculture is spirets. Plow are a traditional tool using for agriculture activities for the purpose of loosening the soil. The plow is made of iron and has teeth like a comb and is used manually and is not connected to modern machinery to allow it to work. It also works with the help of pets such as buffalo and cow, and it can help speed up the plowing process. Animals using in agriculture is buffaloes. Ancient agriculture using buffaloes to plow rice fields. Agriculture different then is the use of buffalo is very rare because now they are substitutes. The way farmers using to cultivate the land by applying this traditional system is usually identified by using plows and red plows, and cultivating the land using a variety of traditional tools that work using manpower and animals. Agriculture different now is now agriculture no longer using animals' energy to plow because now they are plowing machines. Different people of the past who using the traditional way, the present uses the modern way. Agriculture history is seen its best inception about 10,000 years ago. Agriculture has grown rapidly in terms of area and yield. Throughout the period of expansion, new technologies and crop will integrate outdoor agriculture practices such as irrigation, crop rotation, fertilizers, and pesticides have long been introduction. Great progress has only been made in the last century. The history of agriculture plays a major role in human history because agriculture process is one of the important factors in socio-economic change around the world. The focus of it and military specialization rarely found in outer finger culture is generally seen in societies that practice agriculture. The same is true of art such as epic literature and majestic and artistry as well as the statutory legal system. When farmers are able to produce food and extend the needs of their family. Others in their community are fit to devote their life to non-food acquisition projects. Historians and anthropologists have long wrote that the development of agriculture enabled visualization. And that's all for me. Thank you.